Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for Kroger. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $41 billion, Kroger is a S&P 500 company within the grocery stores industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 3.6%. Earnings growth, 1.2%. Earnings estimates, 5.53%. Return on capital, 10.59%. Debt to free cash flow, 5.72 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.45%. Payout ratio, 22.01%. Growth rate, 11.74%. Growth years, 15 years. That gives Kroger 4 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Kroger is significantly overvalued. What's your thoughts on Kroger in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.